The Toyo Machinery PTD-50 is a photosensor used in a high-speed loom for textiles. This photosensor is used in various ways on the tool depending on where it is positioned, and most high-speed looms have a number of these sensors installed. We received this from a local textile company, and it was completely dead when it arrived, but as shown in the video, we were able to fully test it at full operation after a full rebuild. At ERD, we started decades ago working on many textile products due to our local economy, and we still work on these products today. From looms to dyeing, we have worked on all major areas of textile manufacturing. Thanks for checking out the video. Subscribe to ERD TV for more videos of our repairs.